Welcome to Sheboygan Chevrolet Chrysler Center. Today's special is a like-new 2017 Honda CR-V Touring all-wheel drive, stock number B95558. Only 6,000 miles on this one owner. Local trade, clean auto check history report, white diamond, pearl in color. You do receive the balance of the factory 3-year 36,000 mile bumper to bumper and 5-year 60,000 mile powertrain warranty. Very safe vehicle, 5-star front and side government crash rating. Seats 5. Leather interior. Advanced safety features like blind spot monitoring, as well as backup camera. Power liftgate for convenience. Lots of storage space in the rear. With removable privacy cover, split seat back, folds easily with the pull of a handle. And of course, no dents or dings in the body. This Touring has keyless entry with remote start, power windows, locks, mirrors, memory settings for 2 drivers, power seats, along with a tilt and telescopic steering wheel to put you in that perfect driving position. Power moonroof. Large, easy to read gauges. Again, only 6,000 miles. Steering wheel mounted audio controls, cruise control. Large touchscreen infotainment system. Navigation. Radio. It's also satellite radio capable. Bluetooth connectivity for hands-free phone use or to connect other Bluetooth-enabled devices, great for wireless music streaming. And that is, of course, where the backup camera display is. Dual-zone automatic temperature control with heated front seats. Automatic transmission. Lots of storage space in the armrest. Spacious glove box with all the owner's materials. Overhead, auto dimming mirror, home link transmitter for garage door opener, and moonroof control. Under the hood, this CR-V has a 1.5 liter turbocharged 4-cylinder, 190 horsepower. And just as clean under the hood as the rest of the vehicle. Excellent fuel economy, especially for an all-wheel drive crossover. EPA average of 27 miles to the gallon in the city, average of 33 on the highway. And again, only 6,000 miles on those tires. For more information on this CR-V, please go to SheboyganAuto.com.
Choose Sheboygan Auto. We're conveniently located at 3400 South Business Drive or at 2701 Washington Avenue in Sheboygan, Wisconsin. SheboyganAutos.com.